Eric Trump has publicly praised Ethereum and Bitcoin, but didn't mention XRP at all. In fact, the crypto project backed by the Trump family, World Liberty Financial, reportedly invested tens of millions of dollars into ETH without allocating a single dollar to XRP. This was revealed by a well-known crypto commentator, All Things XRP, through a thread on Platform X. According to All Things XRP, Eric said in February 2025 that it was a great time to buy Ethereum. A few days later, he also made a positive comment about Bitcoin, which the analyst believes helped push BTC's price close to $98,000. Even though Eric and his team at World Liberty Financial have been actively discussing those two major crypto assets, they've never mentioned XRP. In fact, reports say they bought around $48 million worth of ETH this year. Their portfolio includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and even Tron, but no XRP. So why is XRP being left out? According to All Things XRP, there are a few key reasons. The first is legal issues. XRP was involved in a long legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Even though the situation is now clearer, the case still leaves a messy impression. In his own words, he says, XRP's embroilment in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit remains messy. The next reason is more strategic. World Liberty Financial is said to be positioning itself in the DeFi sector. They view Ethereum as the engine of DeFi, Bitcoin as digital gold, and XRP as a tool for cross-border transfers. Since their focus is on the DeFi ecosystem, XRP doesn't yet fit into their current project structure. Political factors and public perception also play a role. The Trump brand is known to be very careful about what it supports publicly. They tend to back projects that are seen as winners and avoid those that could spark controversy. In this context, mentioning XRP might be considered too risky from both political and market perspectives. However, All Things XRP also stressed that this silence doesn't necessarily mean rejection. He said, this silence might not be an outright rejection of XRP. It's possible the Trump family is simply waiting for clearer regulations before making a move. In conclusion, it's not that XRP lacks potential, but that it doesn't currently align with the strategy and image that Trump and their crypto project want to build. This serves as a reminder that in the crypto world, investment decisions are often about more than just technology. They also involve politics, public perception, and market timing.